Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is what I'm working with. It's a full lace wig. This is one of the most expensive wig I own. I bought this wig when I was in a caught up in a moment. Full lace wig madness. Now looking back, I don't even wear full lace wig. I don't put my hair up that often. So she's a full lace over bleach, shedding, more shedding. This is one of those wigs that I have like in the corner where when I feel like I need to glue a wig down full slaying, I reach out to this. But she's shedding so much because of the fact that it was over bleached unknowingly. Hairs are just coming out, like you're just saying right now. It's just coming out. This wig was 350 quid. I mean, hello. So yes, shedding, more shedding. So I know you guys are probably thinking, another braided wig. Bear with me. You are gonna see in a minute how I'm gonna save this wig's life. I need to make my money worth, guys. Are you guys feeling me now? Are you feeling me? So I'm using expression braiding hair, as you've seen. I cut it in 3 parts and stretch it out. When I was done stretching it, I end up with 3, like in a 3 part, and in length was around 20 inch, which is the length of this wig. Like with all full lace wig, there is tons of flyaways, more flyaways. That explains why the root, there's lots of hair on the root, but not as much hair at the bottom. What I'm explaining here is I'm not doing my traditional braiding method, like parting it from the front to the back. Instead, I'm parting it from the middle of the head to the ear. That's gonna make sense in a little bit, in a while. Bear with me. So I'm parting it corner down. So at the end, when I finish braiding it, the end result should be, when I lift this hair up right now, it should look like something like this, like a brushed kind of look. This wig has been obviously over bleached. She has been plucked. I want that plucked effect to still reveal once all the braiding are done. So I'm gonna slow this next clip here down so you guys can see more or less what I'm doing in the rest of the duration of the making of this wig. The extension I take as small extension as I can possibly could, because I really want this hair to be light as a feather. I'm not braiding it in my traditional way, so I'm parting that little. I took that small expression braiding hair, spraying a bit more water on it just before I start to make sure all the flyaway are in place. I'm not crossing the extension this time. Instead, because the hair on this wig is virgin Peruvian hair, I want to make most of my money. I am taking that extension with the hair himself that is already in the wig being the third. Does that make sense? So I'm taking 2-part extension, which I'm not dividing, but the third part is gonna be the actual hair that is in the wig. It's a 20 inch, so the hair the synthetic hair I'm adding is also around about 18-20 inch. So when I was done with this, the ends, the virgin hair kind of still, there were still some leftovers on the ends, which make it really nice and fine. Way better than if you were using full expression, on a wig. Right, this type of method of braiding that I've used, there is a reason for it. That is to make sure this wig right now, the strands of braid can go right, sides, back. It can go anywhere because it's a wig. It's not gonna loosen up like it would when you're doing it on your head. So that is why I use this type of method to braid it, so the hair can be moved in any angle from the minute I finish braiding it. Anywho, the weather was warm, so I took it outside to work on it. This week took me ages. As you can see, she is ready now. She's ready. So if you got a braided, if you've got a full lace wig or even a half lace wig that is giving up the ghost, there's one way to save that wig and make most of your money, make your money worth. That's exactly what this video was all about. So she's ready, and I'm ready to slay it and style it and flaunt it, you name it. It's all coming on. It's all coming on, guys. I'm absolutely loving this. Right, before I stop my ramble, you can see the inside of the wig. Because it's a full lace wig, it can be moved, it can be parted, it can, or the choice of styles of these are endless. But there is one thing I need to prove to myself, and I need to prove to you guys. I only use 1.5 packs of expression braiding hair. Here is the proof. If this hair stays in the ponytail one hand, there, I did it. I want to be able to hold the hair in a ponytail with just one hand. That is the proof that it's not too thick. If you cannot hold a braiding style in ponytail and hold it with one hand, my dear, you are toast, because it's gonna be too heavy. So I've proven to myself that it is light. I mean, I only use 1.5 packs of expression braiding hair. So I'm so pleased, guys. I am relieved that I can finally wear this wig and don't worry about hair shedding everywhere each time I wear it. It's just reducing, the density is reducing more and more. Come on now, guys. Where is the lace? Where is the lace? You guys cannot tell me nothing. Nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Look at that. I am slaying this summer. Bring it. Like, really, bring it. So I've made it work. It's light as a feather. This is gonna be perfect for work. I didn't need to add any extra elastic band on. I just use my got a big glue to glue it down, you know, because obviously it's a full lace, it has to be done. So I did. So guys, with everything going on, I'm so relieved and I feel blessed. I know how much I tried to braid this type of unit for somebody and be able to just braid it. I didn't do all this in one day. I just work on it whenever the mood see fit. And to be able to do this, it's not all mine. As long as I wish to keep this unit, it's mine, is there. It's not gonna shed anymore. I am excited. I mean, I don't know about you guys. I am gonna stop here with my ramble. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of mine. If that was the case, why not give me a thumbs up? And while you're at it, subscribing is actually free. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep it coming, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna love you and leave you here to enjoy whatever is left of the video. Thank you all so much for your support. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.